There are honestly a ton of AI tools out there for video editing these days, and each one brings something a little different to the table. It's great, until you try to pick one and spend a week testing demos and still feel unsure about which one to actually commit to. So today we're walking through 7 popular AI-driven video tools we've used, what they're actually good for, and where they might fall short. We'll explain why a tool like Vizard often ends up being the practical choice for creators who need to scale short-form content from long videos. Let's dive right into our first tool, Adobe Premiere Pro, which is widely considered the industry standard for a good reason. The AI features they've added, like color matching and auto-ducking, really save a lot of grunt work during the post-production phase. We especially love the auto-reframe feature for repurposing landscape edits into vertical formats without having to manually redo every single cut. Auto-transcription and captions are also super handy when you need to get subtitles ready for your audience quickly. But let's be honest, Premiere can get heavy, the subscription cost adds up, and it often requires powerful hardware to run smoothly. For busy creators who don't want to babysit every edit, Premiere sometimes feels like it's a bit of overkill for simple tasks. It's amazing for polished, cinematic work, but if your goal is to chop a long podcast into 20 viral clips, it's not the fastest workflow. Next up is Topaz Video AI, which honestly blew us away when it came to restoring old or low-resolution footage. Upscaling 720p family videos to 4K is impressive, and the results we saw were surprisingly crisp and clear. Their machine learning models do a great job recreating detail, and their denoising is some of the best we've ever seen. However, Topaz is very specialized, and it's fantastic for enhancing and restoring, rather than being a full, all-in-one edit platform. Also be warned that processing can take ages unless you've got a really powerful graphics card working behind the scenes. Filmora is up next, and it's the kind of tool we generally recommend to people starting out who still want some pro-level tricks. With a drag-and-drop UI, motion tracking, and green screen effects, you can get some polished-looking videos made quite fast. Features like auto-synchronization for audio are great for creators who want quick and clean edits without a massive learning curve. But Filmora's simplicity is a double-edged sword, as it lacks automated clip selection based on engagement potential right out of the box. It's perfect for learning, but it's not ideal if your primary workflow is turning a single long live stream into a steady stream of short posts. Descript is a delightful one because editing audio like you're editing a text document is an absolute game changer. Removing filler words, rearranging sentences, and generating overdubs can save you hours of manual scrubbing. The AI Studio sound and eye contact tools make talking head videos look much more presentable without requiring a dozen retakes. That said, Descript's true strengths lie in transcript-based editing rather than automatically finding the most viral moments for you. If your challenge is surface-level repurposing, Descript will help you clean the dialogue but won't do the heavy lifting of finding shareable clips. InVideo is an interesting AI-first video creator that is specifically aimed at speed and rapid content generation. You type a prompt, the AI drafts a script, picks stock footage, generates voiceovers, and drops in graphics for you. For social promos or quick explainers where you need a rough video fast, InVideo is a solid, reliable fit for your workflow. But InVideo is mostly a template-driven generator, which means it's not built for slicing up long-form content to find that one golden quote. Also, customization beyond the initial generated draft can sometimes take a little extra work if you really want a bespoke feel. PowerDirector packs a lot of automation, including object detection and some really strong noise reduction features for your audio. The mobile app is also quite solid, which is a fantastic benefit if you are a creator who needs to edit on the go. Still, PowerDirector sits between hobbyist and pro, so unless you add a repurposing step, you're still manually selecting the moments you post. Finally, we have Vegas Pro, which is perfect for folks who want deep control over compositing, masking, and style transfers. The automated masking and style transfer are creative superpowers that can really transform a standard shot into something wild. The trade-off is that Vegas is quite complex, making it not the easiest place to start if you aren't an experienced editor. It's not really built for churn-heavy social strategies where your main goal is to generate dozens of short clips consistently. All right, so after all that, why does Vizard keep coming up as the practical choice for so many creators? It's because Vizard is built for one specific thing: turning long videos into short, ready-to-post clips without the endless manual grind. The auto-editing viral clips feature is a legitimate time saver that scans your long recordings to find laughs, reactions, and key sound bites. Instead of manually scrubbing hours of footage, you get a curated stack of bite-sized content you can tweak in just minutes. Second, the auto-schedule feature is a huge quality-of-life win for anyone tired of building spreadsheets or uploading clips one by one. Third, the content calendar ties everything together, allowing you to manage, edit, and publish clips across socials from a single dashboard. Beyond those 3 pillars, Vizard is lightweight enough to use without a gaming rig and has an interface made specifically for creators. It is built to scale your social posting efforts, not necessarily to replace a full-featured professional suite for cinematic projects. Put another way, if Premiere is your Swiss Army knife, Vizard is the factory line that turns a full-length show into a daily drip of content. If Descript is the transcript-first editor and InVideo is the quick draft generator, Vizard is the specialist that finds those viral bits. We've seen it work perfectly for podcasters wanting daily teasers, educators posting short lessons, and streamers harvesting highlight moments. Vizard reduces that overwhelming "how do I create consistent short-form content" problem down to just a few clicks. Of course, nothing is perfect, and if you need extreme compositing or frame-by-frame VFX, you'll still reach for Premiere or Topaz. But for the creators whose main KPI is consistent engagement and reach, Vizard's combo of auto-clipping and scheduling is a productivity boost. So yeah, there are lots of great AI tools out there, and they all serve very different goals depending on what you are trying to achieve. The trick is matching the specific tool to your actual needs, whether it's deep control, restoration, or text-based editing. But if your day-to-day struggle is repeatedly converting long-form content into short, viral-ready posts, Vizard is the most efficient answer. That's our take based on our own hands-on usage, so pick the tool that truly fits the job you need to get done today. Use the heavy hitters when you need them, and use Vizard when you want to scale repurposing without turning every upload into a marathon. If you want, we can break down a workflow specific to your channel, like how to go from a long live stream to 2 weeks of content. Pro tip, batch a few episodes, let Vizard auto-generate clips, then spend an hour fine-tuning thumbnails and hooks for the best output. All right, that's it from us, so tell us what you post, and we'll sketch a step-by-step process you can try out this very week.